Sometimes I don't want to make something big. I just want to make something a little bit sweet just for myself. So I'm just going to make a little mug cake. Actually, it's in a little dish, but we're going to get started here. So here I have 4 teaspoons of flour. And I'm going to add 4 teaspoons of sugar. Next is cocoa powder. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder. Just going to mix the dry ingredients together. And to that I have 2 teaspoons of water, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla, and 2 teaspoons of oil. And I'm just going to mix that up. And stick into the spoon. Make sure I get all the oil and everything. Okay. I'm going to need a spatula. Got a little spatula here. I'm going to spread this out in the dish. And I'm just going to pop that in the microwave. So I put this on in the microwave for only a minute. And it's a brownie, so it's not like you want to cook it. It won't look quite like a cake. But I'm just going to taste this. Oh, that's really good. So this is my little sweet dessert after my meal. I'm going to make a single pumpkin muffin in the microwave. I'm going to start with 3 tablespoons of flour. I have a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder here. Mix that in. I have 1 1/2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Mix that in. I have 1/2 teaspoon of pumpkin spice, which is a mixture of ground cloves, cinnamon, bit of nutmeg, bit of ginger. That's how I make mine anyway. So I've mixed all the dry ingredients together. And I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of pumpkin puree. Make sure I get it all. I have 1 tablespoon of milk and about a teaspoon or a little bit more of oil, just a touch. So I'm going to mix that all up. You could add a tablespoon of water if you need to, but I'm going to just see how this looks. Because sometimes when you put down your own pumpkin, it is got a little bit more moisture in than the stuff that you buy in a can. Anyway, that looks great, so I will not need to add anything. So you can cook this in a mug or a little bowl. And I'm going to put that in the microwave. I put the pumpkin muffin on in the microwave for 2 minutes. And it's cooked and it looks good. It's very hot. You can either eat it right out of this, or I'm going to see how it comes out onto a plate. Ooh, it's hot. Okay, there we are. So there is the pumpkin muffin. It's great. So there is the pumpkin muffin. You try either the brownie or the pumpkin muffin, but you can have a little sweetness after your dinner. And it's great if you're a single person, or you're the only one home at the moment and you want to sneak in a little snack.